After a year and a half posting videos about the Toyota Alphard and Vellfire, from comparison to tutorial and some review, I came across an interesting question in my comment section. It's about parking assist. And I missed that. There's two. One is back-in parking. Sometimes we call it reverse. Another one is parallel parking. Before I start, let me show you the difference between the one with the parking assist and the one without. This is the one without the parking assist. For the front, there's 4 sensors. This is with the parking assist. Additional 1 over here, each side. So the front, there's additional 2. How about the back? There's 4 sensors. Additional 1 at the side here. The one come with the parking assist, there's another 4 sensors. 4 corners each side. The parking assist is an option. It comes together with JBL system, which is the 360 camera. But I did come across with some of the JBL system with 360 camera, but without the parking assist. So I guess to get the parking assist, you need to have the JBL system. We will start with the back-in parking first, which is I already prepared a space over here and the car is over here. Before we start, the switch is over here and make sure you're in D. Rear. You press this button. Back-in parking is searching. Now I'm going to park over here. So just press again. Now it's found it. It will prompt you the screen here. It will say this is the parking. So you have to forward D, release your brakes. The steering will turn itself. So it will move over here. Okay, stop the vehicle. Shift to R. Back up. This is the space. Slowly control your brakes, okay? And slowly parking assist complete. Done. The back-in or reverse parking is done. Straight and nice. It might be a bit slow or lag and a bit not accurate in looking for parking, but once it found it, the parking is just nice. Next, parallel parking. Arrangement done. Let's go for the parallel parking. Sometimes we call it side parking. Signal to the right. Move to the front slowly and press the parking assist button. It's telling you go forward. It's searching. Going forward, searching. Space detected is this one. Keep going forward. Okay. Go forward. Stop the vehicle. Shift to R. Just like the back-in parking. Control the speed by pressing the brakes. You can't move too fast. Okay, just slowly.
Front and rear. Rear.
Stop the vehicle, shift to D. It will turn itself. Until it finishes turning, then only you move the car.
Front.
Go forward, stop the vehicle, shift to R.
Rear.
Parking assist complete. Now we are done. For the parallel parking, you can also check with the parking assist system to let it helps you or assist you to exit. For example, now I'm at P position. Alright, I press this button, parking assist button. I'm going out to the left, so I signal to the left. Shift R to start. R.
Rear.
Apply brakes. Then back up. Stop the vehicle. Shift to D. It's a tight parking space, so we just let the steering finish turning, then only we let the car move. Now moving forward.
Front.
Go forward. Stop the vehicle, shift to R.
Front and rear. Rear.
Stop the vehicle, shift to D.
Front.
Parking assist complete. So this is how we use. This is how the parking assist works. For more other information about this Toyota Alphard or Vellfire, you can check my list here. Thank you.